Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Kilda Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2013 Nissan Murano ST. This shape runs from the 12th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2014, and it has a VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand front. We have the right-hand headlight, Xenon type, right-hand fog light, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, colour coded. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, single stack CD player, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy three-spoke black leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.